Hi, my name is António Gorgel. I'm a designer, visual artist, and educator, and I have been developing a participatory transmedia art and design practice with different communities since 2005. Most of these projects are created in collaboration with Paula.
Hello, my name is Paula Reaes Pinto. I'm a professor in the University of Évora and also designer and visual artist who develops a participatory art and design practice with underprivileged communities since 2003. The Devir Comum, Becoming the Common, was an exhibition that resulted from two participatory art and co-design projects carried out with residents of the neighborhoods on the outskirts of Lisbon, more precisely, Oeiras and Sintra. Both initiatives had the main objective of supporting migrant populations and valuing their knowledge through the identification and mapping of techniques and arts and crafts developed from their cultural heritage. The projects and exhibition were supported by SHAIA, Center for Art History and Artistic Research of the University of Évora, and the Agrancar Foundation, Portugal. The show was held at the Burgos House in Évora in 2019.
So the question is, what is co-design and what is not? In these projects, we started with an empathetic approach based on the capacity of establishing dialogue, listening and exchanging ideas for a better understanding of differences and diversity, recognizing them as strengths that enhance the overall life quality of the community. This was achieved by bringing people together from different generations across cultures and facilitating communal relationships through a creative practice toward a common goal. Working together meant that people could learn from each other's different cultural traditions and life experiences. This co-design methodology was crucial for finding practical solutions to the identified problems. So everything that is not based on this particular sensitivity, which is the capacity to establish dialogue, listen, and exchange ideas, is not co-design. Co-design is not based on imposing something on our collaborators or taking advantage of their generosity and know-how. This attitude will only result in a wrong appropriation to produce something.
So, what about biggest challenges? The biggest challenge of a co-designer is the self-awareness that he or she is a creative agent who triggers participatory actions for the co-creation of objects, spaces, or events. Therefore, it is essential to develop prolific forms of collaboration with participants, with whom it is necessary to have a prior agreement and a meaningful relational basis for the development of co-design solutions. How to do it? Parallel to the importance of participation in co-design is how everything is strategically planned. Within the social projects we developed, it is essential that before engaging the vulnerable communities in a new creative briefing and collaboration, there is a well-defined matrix of stakeholders, spaces, and materials to support the initiatives. Everything must be established as a mechanism where creative players develop their work to achieve certain objectives.
And how to plan it? Don't plan it too much. By comparing co-design with improvised jazz music, it is possible to see how the collaboration between participants of a particular project is established. Just as in jazz, where improvisation overlaps composition, a participatory project incorporates the participants' contributions in a context previously planned by us as conductors. When conducting a co-design project, we seek to keep participants in the course of the outlined activities so that they autonomously continue exploring knowledge, which sometimes can be diverted from the initial objective to meet different results.